Hi, I'm Gloria Coppola, one of the founding partners of Massage Without Borders and the executive director. Massage Without Borders is a nonprofit here to help our massage and healing arts professionals in times of severe crisis, medical needs, and now even scholarships. We are proud to host a national event this year in May of 2013 where we have several businesses, private practices, and schools participating to contribute to a pool of funds that will create 3 scholarships for students that are already enrolled in school. Why enrolled in school, you ask? Well, sometimes life takes a bad turn, we lose our jobs, or something happens, and you might have to drop out of school because you can't make your tuition. Well, Massage Without Borders is here to help you. We've created 3 scholarship funds, one for $500, $1,000, and $2,000. Some of our contributors are Bone Vital, massage book scheduling, some private donations, and of course what's going to come in from our national fundraising event. Some of that will also go to these funds. We'll distribute 2 this spring and 1 in the fall, and hopefully next year we'll have more. So if you or a colleague is suffering severe financial stress while you're in massage school, now you have a place to apply. The application center is on our website, www.massagewithoutborders.org. You must meet the criteria, which means you have to be enrolled in an approved school, and you must be maintaining a certain average, and you must have 2 of your teachers or administrative staff from the school recommend you. There's all the details there, and if we're here, we're going to do our best to help you. If you want to participate in our national event or any events that we do for fundraising, you could also visit our website and check those out. We have an art auction, we have an education auction, we have lots of things going on. And if you like to do fundraising, then we need you. So come on over to www.massagewithoutborders.org. Thank you.